one number is 3 less than another number. If their sum is 49, find the two numbers. Okay, so this topic is all about solving problems involving linear equations. So, ang gagawin natin dito, first, we have to let x, let x be the first number. Okay, hanapin natin yung dalawang number. Then, another one, x minus 3. Kasi, one number is 3 less than the other number. So, x minus 3 be the second number. Okay? So, we will find the two numbers. Okay, so, ngayon, next is, kunin natin yung x plus x minus 3. Bakit siya plus? Kasi we have to find their sum or find the numbers. Kasi sum ng dalawang number ay 49. So, kaya nga sum yung gagamitin natin or plus. Okay? So, x plus the quantity of x minus 3. Okay? So, equals 49. Kasi 49 yung total ng dalawa or ng dalawang numbers. Okay, so we have to solve this one. X plus, kapag natin yan, x minus 3 equals 49. Okay, then i-combine natin yung the same term, yung si x at saka x, yung dalawang x na yan, i-combine natin yan, so magiging 2x minus 3 equals 49. Okay, so taas tayo konti kasi hindi na makuha or hindi na makita. So, i-apply natin yung addition property of inequality. Equality pala, sorry, hindi siya inequality. Okay, addition property of equality. So, mag-add tayo dito sa left side ng 3, mag-add din tayo sa right side ng 3. So, 2x, ako po, minus 3 plus 3 equals 49 plus 3. So, 2x, cancel natin yung negative 3 at saka positive 3. So, equals 49 plus 3, that is equal to 52. Then, divide natin both sides by 2 or multiply natin both sides by 1/2. Okay, divide na lang natin yan para mas madali. Ito kasi yung ginagawa ko eh. So, i-divide natin both sides by 2. Pwede rin i-multiply by 1/2. Okay? So, ganun din yung labas na yan. So, cancel natin yung 2. So, naiwan dito sa left side is x. So, i-divide natin si 52 kay 2. Magiging 26. Okay? So, this is the first number. Ito yung first number. So, ano yung second number? Okay, dito tayo sa taas. So, yung second number na, dito tayo sulat ha, x minus 3. Diba ito yung second number? X minus 3. So, x natin is 26 minus 3. That's equal to 23. So, ito yung second number. Second number. Okay? So, kung ang total ng dalawa, 23 at saka 26 ay equals 49. Diba? Ito yung sum nila. If their sum is 49. So, therefore, yung first natin again ay 26. First number is 26, second number is 23. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.